you ever thought about putting your life into words? Finding the words to put your life into? The thoughts that are going on in your head while you're riding. Very relaxing times, in a very relaxing state. And you're oftentimes thinking how beautiful and peaceful the world is now that you're sitting in. How beautiful the world is now that you're sitting still. You're the most beautiful piece that God has ever gifted to the world, woman. And we know it. Some use it to our advantage. Some don't use it at all. Some women don't know exactly where they stand with themselves or with the world. But some of us powerful women know exactly what we have to use, when to use it, and how to use it. Sometimes we use it wrong. Sometimes we don't pay attention to how we're using our powers and who we're using our powers with. Sometimes we know exactly the time and moment to use our powers and how. Strong Black women. Black history is not just now. Black history is every day with me. Black history is everything that I embody. Black history is everything that I teach. Black history is everything that I embody in my soul. Black history is how I built my kingdom. Black history is how my empire thrives. Black history is me. I'm now this beautiful black, wonderful princess and queen to one man, but I was a thorn in the heel and the presence of hell to another. I thank God for my past. I thank God for my history. I thank God for my beautiful black melanated education that I now use as my sword. When to use it and how to use it is how you know your power. As black women, we sometimes don't know how to use it, and sometimes we know just when. So I give you a peaceful, melanated queen. I'm very excited to say I sit in this queen's position, very humble and blissful in this moment and in this time. Because I know from whence I came and I know to whom I am. I'm very grateful and thankful to be in this space and be in this place that I am, because I know what I have to give and I know how to give it. I am a beautiful, powerful, melanated queen. One queen that has tore her empire down and built back her empire brick by brick. Not alone. Not by myself. So how do you look at a queen that has tore her empire to pieces, burned her empire down with her own bare hands, and built all of her empire back, piece by piece? I am a very powerful, melanated queen. I love you. I'm sorry. I thank you. Please forgive me.